Have you ever connected to Wi-Fi and just instantly started browsing the internet? You didn't configure anything. No IP addresses, no DNS server, nothing. That's the magic of DHCP, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. In this video, we're breaking down what DHCP is, how it automatically assigns IP addresses using something called the DORA process, what happens when it fails, and how it can configure way more than just your IP. Let's get into it. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It's a service that automatically assigns IP addresses to a device on a network. So instead of manually configuring every phone, laptop, or printer, DHCP does the heavy lifting for you. When you join a network, whether it be at home or in a corporate office, your device sends out a request, and a DHCP server responds with everything that you need to get online. Without DHCP, network admins would have to assign IP addresses by hand. In large networks, that would be a nightmare. So how does DHCP actually work? It all comes down to 4 simple steps, known as DORA. The D stands for discover. Your device sends a broadcast message asking, is there a DHCP server out there? The O stands for offer. The DHCP replies with an available IP address like 192.168.1.12, as well as lease details. Your device says, yes, I would like to request that IP address. And finally, the DHCP acknowledges your request, and your device is now part of the network using the IP address that it offered you. That's the DORA process. Discover, offer, request, acknowledge. The entire exchange happens within seconds, often before you even realize your device joined the network. If you've seen my previous video on ports and protocols, DHCP uses UDP ports 67 and 68 to both send and receive these messages. But what happens if no DHCP server actually responds? That's where APIPA kicks in, automatic private IP addressing. When your device can't reach a DHCP server, it gives itself an IP address in the 169.254.anything.anything range. This lets your device talk to other machines on the local network, but not access the internet. So if you ever see a 169.254 IP address when troubleshooting, it's a sign something went wrong with DHCP, and that's where you should check first. One of the nice things about DHCP is that it's not just about IP addresses. It can configure other important information settings as well. These are known as DHCP options, and they can include things like your default gateway, DNS servers, the subnet mask, and even the domain names in some environments. This is how your device knows where to send traffic and how to resolve domain names, all without manual setup. In large environments, this is critical for consistency and scalability. So to recap, DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses through the DORA process. If DHCP fails, your device falls back to an APIPA address with a 169.254.anything.anything IP address. And DHCP can configure more than just an IP, like your gateway, DNS servers, and subnet mask. It's one of the most fundamental services running on any network, and now you know exactly how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel or check out the Network Fundamentals playlist for more. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.